Okay, guys, I having issues with this TV. It is a Hisense TV, and it seems to have a mind of its own now. I'll turn it on. That right there is a problem. And it'll sit there for who knows how long. Okay, now this time it's picking up my uh, DirecTV streaming box. Um, Normally by now it has already switched over to what it's been doing, but now all of a sudden it's there. It goes right there. Storage space is running out. I click on uninstall the applications. See all apps. Give it a couple minutes here to populate. This is a 65-inch Hisense TV. I don't know the model number off the top of my head. It's on the back of it somewhere. And then it just goes to a black screen after it sits there for however long that was. 2 minutes. Hit the power button, doesn't do anything, doesn't turn it off. And you can tell it's not completely off because the screen's still kind of lit up. It won't go to home. Push a little home button there, it won't go home. At one point, I was able to hit the YouTube button right there, and it would pull up YouTube. And then that's how I was going to the settings of the TV. I could push this. All right, come on, phone, focus. Hello. I could push on this button here with the 3 lines, pull up the menu. And now it's not doing nothing at all again. I mean, it won't do absolutely nothing. Then it'll sit there for like this for I don't know how long, and then all of a sudden it will power off. I did manage to get into the settings at one point and do a factory reset. And when you hit reset, you got to put in a PIN number. I had to look up on the internet. It was 0532. I never set that. And then after that, it starts to do a factory reset, and then the TV just shuts off. So I think it's got a virus or malware or something on it that's keeping it from being able to be reset like that. Does anyone have any fixes for this? Because I'm about to just take this 65-inch TV and just break it over my knee. It's about as worthless as a paperweight. Like I said, I can't even go on and switch inputs to any other thing that I might have plugged into it, whether it be a PlayStation or an Xbox or a cable box. It doesn't matter. It will not let me switch over to it. So if you have any ideas or fixes for this, please let me know.